Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is a Cycle Visions number plate, unlike any other. Okay, you can see the wheel still spins. It says no, it's in gear because I've been testing it. Basically, you get a new spacer here. This goes on the inside, goes into the slots here, which you can't really see. And this is solid billet. Okay, we do up to down like that, and then this is left to right, horizontal, vertical. Okay, very cool bit of kit, and I've got to admit, quality wise, I've never seen anything quite this well made. This will obviously be hidden and run under there. Okay, but looking at this, it's actually been put on upside down, not by me, I might add. But this particular bike, pretty cool. Full wiring loom. We've gone from canvas to EFI through to canvas loom to a normal loom, and we've also fitted the ultimate injection, the S&S VFI system, which is super cool. If you're interested in any great chopper parts or anything, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.